Shut down. Shut up.
Shut up.
You learned English? How? Now he feel very shy.
Natural punch.
In this vlog, we just spoke English. We try to speak English. 2 hours. Right now it's the evening time, and I have few friends, and let's be fun in English. Only in English, because speaking and making vlog in village in English is a very difficult. So we are going to try this, and with friends, with these villager boys. One is our funny English speaker here. English know me. He all time says English know me, English know me. What English know you? Who is no? In rural area, it's very difficult, right, to speak English and make vlog in English. Villager, reaction completely different when you make vlog, especially in English. They are very excited to come in front of camera. What is this? This is toy car. Yes, toy car. Where did you get it, this one? You have another one, right? I have challenged that you have to speak only in English, right? Only 10 minutes. So raise your hand whosoever can speak English, only English.
Hello guys,
up
my
to 10 minutes.
Style.
Shut down. Shut up.
Shut up. Wow.
You learned English? How? Now he feel very shy.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
हेलो
You
गाइस, ये
didn't-
हमारा कालू भाई है।
मेरा नाम साहिल भाई।
साहिल कालू।
Your name is Sahil, and he is Kalu.
सुबान।
Black.
सुबान।
Suban. What is your name, boy?
हुसैन।
Hussein. No, I have challenged to speak only English. So in this video, in this video you have to just speak in English
Yes.
all time. I mean, up to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So 10 minutes challenge for you and this boy, only 2 minutes. Okay. So you speak whatever you wanna say, and whatever you know. He said, I have no idea and I'm not going to say anything. I feel very shy. But just he wanna show his face in front of camera. This is half kilo punch.
Power.
Power.
Ah.
Power, what is? Current, electricity.
Hashtag power.
Power. So this is my village boy and he speak English. You are hearing,
My
you are
punch.
listening, and you are watching. What you will say about this boy? Punch. What is punch?
Natural punch.
That's a point.
Okay, let me listen his English. Okay, let me listen his English. Okay, come on, keep quiet. Say, what do you want to say, boy?
I learn next life. Life next
Okay, I understood your English.
Wither.
Wither.
Good my village.
Oh wow, nice. Weather is good in my village. I mean, I forgot myself.
Good my wither.
Nice. So you heard this English of my village boy. I mean, oh my God, me myself forget what I wanted to say. Sometimes me myself, my English is not good, but I do time, pass with this boy, and I mean, I forgot myself what I wanted to say. So guys, boys, say viewers to like and subscribe. Say viewers,
Like, subscribe, follow me.
Like and subscribe. Like and
to my channel. Say my bro channel.
Like, follow me.
Okay, okay, good, good. Go now, sit over there. You heard? This is my village boy English. They are very, confident. Doesn't matter how they speak, but when I, say, but they very shy. Don't you? And mischievous. Okay, so it's the evening time and sun is setting. Hey, so do you wanna say anything, English boy?
English boy.
English boy. You wanna say anything? Do you wanna give any message?
No matches.
No message.
No matches.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Tell me in Hindi. In Hindi.
No English.
In Hindi say.
No miss. I palak raw banana.
Oh yes. How do you know this name? This is raw banana. Okay. Easy. Yes, you passed. You passed. Okay.
Pass.
Huh?
Why you threw it? Ah, boy, listen to me.
Banana. Banana. Kela.
Banana. Okay, understood. So guys, this was funny English vlog. So right now, guys, it's evening time, and I'm going to end this vlog. So this was a funny English vlog I made with this, villager boy. And thank you so much. If you like this kind of vlog in rural area, in village area, then do like and subscribe and let me know how was my vlog. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care. Why are you throwing stone?
My through.
Very mischievous. Look at this.
My through.